Hello everyone, my name is Joel. I'm the CEO of NanoAPI and I'm here to give you a short walkthrough on how to set up your first project within NanoAPI. Within NanoAPI, a project represents a single code base that you have. And by adding multiple of these code bases, you're able to build and understand the entire software architecture of your environment, of your team, of your organization. So here is the view that you get once you've logged in. I've already logged myself in. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new project. So I have this project already, this theater seating API. This is just a small project that I did some years ago in the past. It's written in Python. It's an API. And I'm going to import this into NanoAPI. So to do this, we're going to use the NAPI command line tool. To begin, whenever you use this, whenever you use it for the first time after installing, should always begin with NAPI login. This will ask you for your email and then log you into your account. I've already done this, so let's start off by initializing this theater seating API project. So we're going to do an API init. And from here, it's going to go through and ask us a series of questions to help us set up the project. So we are going to create a new project. We're going to create it in the personal workspace because this is the workspace that is created for you when you first create an account. So we're going to select that one and we're going to enter the name for the project. Then we're going to enter the URL of the repository, which I already have. Language is Python and Python version is 3.11. We're going to leave that alone. The output directory, we'll just set it to the default. And now it's found these patterns to include, which is pretty cool. So it's already searched the project and it's found correctly that these are the files that we want to include. So we're going to say yes. Do we want to use the suggested exclude patterns to keep these files from showing up in our visualization of the code base? We're going to say yes to this as well. And we're already done. So this is it. We're going to save this configuration. Now we are good to go. So now you can run the most important command with NanoAPI, which is the NAPI manifest generate command. Once I run this, it's going to build this representation of your code base based on these default settings. So these are all settings that it's actually been able to get directly from the code base. And look at that. It's already done processing the 16 files within this code base. Not only has it processed them, but it's also generated what we call a dependency manifest, and it's uploaded that dependency manifest to this web app. So now we can see that we have two projects in the current workspace. So I'm going to click on View Projects, and we have here this theater seating API. So View Details, and this is the most recent commit that we've just uploaded. So we've uploaded a dependency manifest that represents this commit, and now we can view it. So when I click on it, now we have this visualization, which is incredible. We can, of course, also explore the project structure here using this setup. We can view all of the symbols that are available that can be viewed here. And we can also click into the nodes to actually understand at this project level view what the interaction between the files are. So here app.py is importing all of these other files, and to figure out the direction of an import, you just follow the line. So source.app.py imports all of these files and uses them. We could then dive in deeper and go to the file level view, and we can see that these are all of the symbols that are defined within this file. A symbol is a function, a class, some kind of exportable or other exportable functionality within a file. And you can continue drilling down. So here is the dependency view for a single symbol for the app variable within our app.py. You can come here to this setting and actually change the depth of the dependencies independence. And if you do this, you can actually get a very incredible graph which shows exactly how the dependencies flow through your application. So this is a very amazing way to understand exactly what's going on within a code base. There's much more functionality that I'd like to show you, but to keep this video short, I'll stop it here. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this functionality, about being able to visualize code bases, and how you see yourself using this kind of tooling. Looking forward to have you join for our launch on July 1st. Please go to our product hunt page and click on notify me, and very happy to have your upvote once the project's launched. Thank you so much for your time. Looking forward to showing you what's coming next.